One of the most difficult and time-consuming issues for crews carrying out preventative and corrective maintenance jobs is entering and viewing technical data. Crews have to work on machinery, take notes, and go back to their computers in the office and type in all the information. Now, MESPAS has found the answer. We are proud to announce the launch of the first app for capturing information on the job for mobile phone and tablet. This is the first of its kind and enables crews a completely new way of working. Now, using the MESPAS app, data can be viewed and entered on the job. Easy to use and time-saving, the user can view manuals, add information on work completed or the condition of the machinery. As well as maintenance, they can also record safety information such as damage, accidents or near misses. They can add photos and they can even order new spare parts while on the job. Once the job is finished, they click on a button to synchronize and all the information is immediately visible to all the other crew members and the ship manager in the office on shore. The ship manager can follow exactly what is going on the ship. The information is automatically fed into data analytics and KPIs, making audits and other decisions much faster and easier. The future of vessel management is via MESPAS Mobile. For more information, go to mespas.com.